Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are second year computer engineering student from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under the project based learning 2, we group number 5 students have completed a project on graphical user interface, that is GUI calendar using Python under the guidance of Professor Balaji Chowgule sir. The main aim of our project is take this GUI calendar as a part of learning, programming and to test the coding skill by using Python. A calendar is an application that helps organize a day. Calendar module allow calculation for various tasks based on date, month and year. On the top of it, class in Python allow us to edit calendar per our requirement. This is the code of our project. If we select the month and select the year, then we get the calendar. We can upgrade and make this GUI application more user friendly, like we can add entries to get year during the runtime and show the specific year's calendar. We learn how GUI in Python works and learn different types of modules like tickinters. Thank you for watching our video.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.